Hi, this is Jeff Rollins. I'm an executive coach and CEO of JD Insights. This is a part of a series of webinars designed to help executives get jobs more quickly and with less pain. So this is the third, and tonight I'm going to talk about how can you leverage ChatGPT to increase the chances that you're going to get an interview by using it to customize your resume for a specific job description. And if time permits, I will also create an interview guide using ChatGPT to prepare you for an interview with a recruiter. So let's say that you found a job that you're really interested in, and I'm going to share my screen right now. So you're a chief growth officer and you found a job that you're really interested in. Here's your resume, your standard resume, and you found this job that you're interested in. It's a chief revenue officer for a position, and you want to submit your application for this resume using the tips that we discussed in the very first of the webinar series. And you want to make sure that you're matching all those keywords that you need to. So I'm going to upload your resume first, and then I'm going to upload the job description. And then I'm going to go into ChatGPT and I'm uploading those two documents obviously into ChatGPT, and I'm going to say customize the attached resume to the job description attached. I hit the arrow. So what it's doing now is it's taking your resume and it's taking the job description and it's now creating a resume that pulls in the words from that particular job and creating a resume just for you that is going to fit that particular job. So now you've got all the keywords that you want. The first thing you'll notice is it's given the title of Chief Revenue Officer, whereas your resume said Chief Growth Officer. So it's been my experience that I can download this into a Word document, but it doesn't look that great. So what I choose to do instead is I choose to cut and paste this particular document into a Word document. I usually would give it the company name. And now I've got a resume that's customized for that job. It doesn't look like one that I want to send. So you are going to have to format the resume and make it look nice, but at least you know that the content is targeted to that job. So that's what ChatGPT does, is it integrates the job that you're applying to with the resume that you have. Now, let me say this, it's not perfect. So it is possible that the resume in its translation is going to lose some of the words that are important. It's going to add something into your resume that shouldn't be there. It's actually called a hallucination. So you do have to proofread your resume, and you also have to make sure that you're including all the content that you want to be included. So don't just format it and send it. But make sure that you proofread it. Make sure you like the content, that it doesn't have any errors in it. You format it and go ahead and apply for the job. I'm going to go ahead and show you how you can also prepare an interview guide. So let's say you get a call from a recruiter. The recruiter wants to talk to you. So now what I'm going to do is I'm going to say, create a list. I have an interview with a recruiter for the job. If you want to, you can actually attach their profile and it'll tailor it a little bit more. But let's say, create a list of customized questions from the recruiter. The recruiter might ask, and that I might ask the recruiter. Keep it to 10 questions or less. So ChatGPT now has the resume and it has the job description. So it's going to put out a list of questions that the recruiter might ask you and that you might ask the recruiter. So these are all intended to be resources to you. They're not, we don't know if the recruiter is going to ask these last questions, but at least gives you tools to prepare for the interview and to prepare that to what you can find out from the recruiter as well. I hope you found this helpful. I hope to see you in the next series. If you have any questions about this, please feel free to email me at jeff.rollins.d@gmail.com or go to my website, jdinsights.com, and I hope to see you on the next, either in a call or a meeting with me or in the next webinar series. Thanks and have a great day.